Okay, so now as you can see, I'm getting the hole puncher right on top of it, and you can see those marks. So if you decide to use a hole puncher, it can be hard. Sometimes getting it in the right spot, and I'm gonna just hole punch there, and now just take the hole puncher out, and then try to make sure that there's enough room for the pencil, for the eraser to go through. If there isn't, just use your scissors and make it just a little bit wider until the eraser can fit. And if it can't, after you try it a few more times, it might not. Then you might have to make another little bit, one like with a little bit bigger. And as you can see, this one's already sharpened, and at the bottom of this one it isn't. But I'm just going to give one of these to my friend, and I'll show you what they do more carefully when it's more easier and I'm not sitting down. I'm going to show you what they can do. They don't really work when you launch them off from the ground. So now, as you can see, that should be enough. If you can see the pencil eraser going through, then that is enough. And I can't see it coming through yet. Yes, there it is. Now, you see at the bottom, it might be sturdy enough. You could tape it like I did on here, but then it makes it more messy. And also, I'll just tape it. Oh, I could show you what you could do with this. It's like a helicopter, and you can also write with it. And so they're very cool when I think that it's actually fine right now. So I think the helicopter is done, and then I'll show you what they can both do. Over up here in the box, I can like make it a little bit easier for you. Going up. So you might not see me for a second because I'm up right up here, and then I'm gonna just turn on the light so you see me right here. And then you're not gonna see me for a second.